Speaking of pride, Burger King is proud of its new four-stacker Whopper that it just launched in Japan.
Sick.
And don't you dare not mention the fact that it's Japanese.
Yeah. They always like the smaller portions. So this is
easy, Will.
Quite ridiculous.
That's a stereotype.
No, it's for real.
This guy. We go from that article to that kind of statement. Unbelievable, Will.
Yeah. Well, it looks great.
Well, obviously, some of them are going to go for the 4-stack because this is a behemoth just launched.
Wait, it says Stacker 5 Whopper.
My bad, by the way. This is okay, first of all, this is actually Korea as well. This is not Japan.
Oh, look at you.
Oh my God. Do I even have a Japan story in here? Anyway, it doesn't matter. This is the Stacker 4 that you're looking at, unless you think there's a hidden patty there.
Oh no, they're just saying
yeah.
Let's just challenge to make a
so here's how it works, Will. All right.
Burger.
The Stacker 4 is what actually is going to hit the menu. The Stacker 5 The Stacker 5 is a secret menu item.
Oh.
That you have to ask for.
Can I get the 5-stack?
Yeah, you have to know that it exists. Otherwise, the official menu items consist of a Stacker 2, 3, and 4. And they're going to be 4-ounce beef patties, sesame seed bun, mayonnaise, lettuce, tomato, pickles, ketchup, and sliced onion, and American cheese is what you're going to get. These will retail between $7.70 and $11.30 as part of Burger King Korea's Real Whopper Challenge at select locations. There's a little Instagram video if you want to check it of all the stackers being stacked. Check it out. Look at that. Okay. Yeah, that's your Whopper. I know the toppings, but it's not enough. We're going to keep stacking. That's 2, Will. That's 3. And yeah, it goes all the way to 4. Oh, here comes 4. There you go. Get your act together. How do you even eat that? I really don't know how you eat that. Do you have to bust out a fork at some point or no?
Maybe.
You do? Would you ask for a fork if you got that?
No.
You would just get really messy.
Yes.
And you would manhandle it.
Yes.
The 5-stacker.
You gotta.
Damn. All right.
The 5-stack, yeah.
Well, that's a fat burger. That's for certain.